Let's suppose we have a cybersecurity company who wants to use Masonet for discovering tenders. Based on this important portfolio, we create an individual tailored AI model to suggest them tenders. Every user lands here, where he can see all suggested incoming tenders every day. A user can spot directly numerous information about each tender. We provide various filter possibilities like CPVs and AI agents. I'm interested in tenders that require penetration tests. And the AI agent checks every document and shows me tenders that do require penetration tests. To analyze a tender, a user has more possibilities, like the tender chat. This is a private chat every user can use to dig deeper into the tender. Masonet ingests from 5 to 10,000 tenders per day. And by having nearly 10 million documents and 2 million tenders in our database, we have huge possibilities for intelligence and insights into many markets. Masonet uses state-of-the-art technology with massive data foundation to help companies discovering and analyzing tenders that actually fit.